What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're getting back on hamster lord. All right, so my plan today is I'm gonna get this motor completely out and on the engine stand, and hopefully if time permits I'm gonna start breaking it down. Now where we left off, I got to take off the flex plate bolts. I got to get the CV axle off so I can get the oil neck off. Once the oil neck's off, then I take the bitch bracket off, then the bitch bolt, the bell housing bolts, and then take this power steering pump, take that out, and then we can lift this motor out. Now I'm probably going to actually I know I am. I'm gonna have to remove the EGR valve out of my way so that I can get the chain. I put the chain like right here and then hook it on right there, because I'm not removing the what you call it, alternator bracket. I'm gonna leave that on. So yep, I think that's my plan. It's my plan of action. That's what I'm gonna do. Everything should go okay, I'm hoping so anyway. So let me gather myself together and get ready for this, because I'm really not, but we're gonna prevail. This is gonna work out. All right, let me get started. Okay, so on camera, I want to show you about the flex plate. So what you're gonna do, hopefully you can see, is you're gonna run your extension right through. Hold on. Hey, I was covering the microphone. Sorry about that. I gotta find my flashlight. Oh, it's right there. So what you're gonna do is run your extension right through that motor mount, and when you look over there, you'll see the flex plate and you'll see the bolt. So just watch me and I'll show you what I'm doing. Set you guys right there. It's not going to be the best because this camera's not the best, but you'll be able to get the picture of what I'm doing. So I'm using my flathead screwdriver to position the flex plate where it's needed. I'm a little difficult there. Bear with me for a second. So I got that position where I want it. All right. We're going to grab our impact. Literally flex plate bolts out. Just follow this step. Do that to all three and make your life a lot easier. Okay, so let me show you a couple things. So you see these bolts right here? This is out of the oil neck. Notice how these three are longer than that. So that's where the oil leak was coming from. They were not torqued down. This wasn't even catching a thread. So, and then there's no gray RTV right here. With oil necks, I don't play. I put gray RTV because these are like the most prone part to leak. And it's leaking right into the engine mount basket. So that's it, man. I mean, I literally seen it dripping from the grooves behind it. So, which I'm glad that I found this bolt was in it, because I need 3 more of these. So I can go through my pile and see if I can find 3 of these bolts right here, so we can get that back on. But yep, so I found that. And then, oh man, I'm getting too old for this. So next is the bitch bracket, right? That's the bitch bracket right there. Notice how there's no bolt there and there's no bolt back there. So I need to source out 2 differential bolts for the bitch bracket when I put this motor back in. So it's that. And then the bitch bolt is in there. Luckily I can get the bitch bolt from the top because there's no manifold on here, so it'd be easy to get to it. So I got that and the bell housing bolts, and I'm pulling this motor out. So let me get back to it. Okay, so we are ready to pull this engine out. I got everything out my way, ready to go. I got the, because I took the CV axle out, I got the jack underneath to support the transmission. So yeah, I got my chain ready to go. So let me get my cherry picker and I will catch you guys on the fucked up camera. All right, we got the engine out. Not too bad of a cleanup I got to do. I mean, I just got to clean up that little area right there. And we have a little bubblage. Yeah, so Just wipe a couple things down, nothing too drastic. Um, Came out nice and smooth. I like how I go about things. It just makes it so much easier. So while this motor is out too, it'll be easy for me to replace that O2 sensor that is literally hiding down in there. Maybe that's in the way. Where is the damn? Oh, he down right there. Just down there in the way. So I can replace that. And yeah. So I got the engine out. I got quite a bit to clean up. Just got off the phone with Cody. There's going to be some delays waiting on a couple things that's needed for this motor. So I can tell you that it's not going in the car this weekend. It might go in Sunday. I don't know, because I'm pretty much waiting for flex plate bolts so I can replace the rear main seal. And I'm waiting on the balancer. Supposedly it got shipped out, but it's not showing no label, whatever. So I guess I'll get this on the engine stand. I really don't want to start breaking stuff down and having this motor exposed. So probably get on the engine stand and then call it a day until after I see what's going on with everything, and then I will continue on tomorrow with getting things done. So that way I know if I'm not going to get everything, then I can at least, there's another box that came in today. And funny thing about it, that's the name it came under. That's awesome. So yeah, while I'm waiting on to find out what's going on, I'll we'll continue on the build. So for now, let me get this motor on the engine stand so we can all look at this motor together and inspect. All right, so let's see what's going on. Shed some light in the situation. So we got not too much, not too bad. That's like the bad area. Got a lot I had to clean up. Yep. And let's see. Yeah. See the rear main covers leaking. Yep. So definitely got a leaking seal. It's real greasy back here. Yep. But as you can see, there's no RTV right there. So that's where the leak was coming from. So what I'm gonna do once I dig into it, where's one? There was a part of the plate. There you go. One part of the plate came off. See that? No RTV. You gotta put RTV on these when you do. But what I'm gonna do is when I get the timing chain cover off, I'm gonna show you there's a hole that you want to drill out, make it bigger, and it helps with the oil drainage so you don't get it coming out the front main seal. But we'll go over that when we get into it. But I got some cleaning up I gotta do. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I gotta talk with the owner and see what's going on with the remainder parts that I need. I really don't want to get into tearing this engine down when I don't have everything, because I don't like having engines exposed to atmosphere for a long period of time. So where it's at right now, there's no air going into the motor because the valves are closed. So that's cool. I'm all right with this. I'll just put a rag over top just to keep debris from getting in there. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna end this video right here. I will catch you guys tomorrow.